Welcome students, let us continue the chapter 6 squares and square roots, exercise 6.4 and question 7. In the question 7 they are given in a right triangle ABC, angle B is 90 degree. The first part of the question is A, if AB is equal to 6 cm, BC is equal to 8 centimeters, find AC. So next we'll draw this triangle, that is the given data. According to the given data, this is the triangle, then 90 degree at B, this is B, this is A and this is C. And what is AB? AB is 6 centimeter and BC is 8 centimeters. So next step, so the given data, AB 6 centimeters, BC 8 centimeters, find AC. B is 90 degree. Therefore, by the first step, Pythagoras theorem, we can write AC square AB square plus BC square. Now next step is we have to find out AC square. AC square is equal to what is AB? AB is given as 6 square plus BC is 8 square. Therefore AC square is equal to 36. 6 square is 36, 8 square is 64. Add these two, we'll get AC square is equal to root of 100. So therefore we have to find out, now we'll just find out the square root by the division method. Take 100, which is the nearest number, to pair this 0 0 1 pair, 1 1 pair. So 1 1s are 1 into 1. Nearest square root is 1, 1 1s are 1. So put here 0, we get 0 here. Add these two, we get 2. Then put 0 here, zeros. So what is the meaning? That is 10 into 10 is equal to 100. So finally, therefore, square root of 100 is equal to 10. Hence what we write? Hence AC is equal to 10 centimeters. So AC we got is 10 centimeters. This is the question 7, problem A. Now we move on to the B. So B question is, see here, in a right triangle ABC, B is 90 degree. That's all they have given. So we'll write down the triangle first. So this is B, this is A, C. Therefore the data, so if the question here is, if it continues, if AC is equal to 13 centimeters, BC is equal to 5 centimeters, and find AB. So this is the triangle, then B is 90 degree. Here what is AC? 13 centimeters and BC is 5 centimeters. Now same, therefore we apply Pythagoras theorem. By Pythagoras theorem, we have AC square AB square plus BC square So now AC square AB square plus BC square. Now just substitute the values. What is AB here? 5 square plus BC square is, this one is here, C. AC square is 13 square is equal to AB. We have to find out, keep as it is, AB square plus BC is how much? 5 square. So next step, this one is 13 square is 169, which is equal to AB square plus 5 square is 25. So how much we get? Minus this, that is 169 minus AB square is equal to, that is 169 minus 25 will be equal to, AB square is equal to 144. So finally what is AB? AB is equal to square root of 144, which will be equal to 12. So now we'll take this one and find out square root by the division method. So this, take 144, that is pair these numbers, this one pair and this one pair, therefore ones are 1, that is 1 into 1 equal to 1, 1 ones are 1, add these two, we'll get 2, then write down the remaining 4, then nearest number is 2 into 2 equal to 4. Now 2 into 2 will become 44, therefore 2 here, then 2 here, we get 4, remainder 0. So what we get finally, therefore square root of 144 is equal to 12. Hence we can write, hence that is AB is equal to, say both applying Pythagoras theorem to the right angle triangle or right triangle, 90 degree at B, both the cases. Therefore we have to find one side in both the cases. Here we have to find the base there, AB, and in the first problem we have to find out AC, that is the hypotenuse. So equal to 12 centimeters. The answer we got is 12 centimeters. So this is the solution for the B problem, question 7B. We move on to the next one. Question 9. So here in this question, so there are 500 children in a school. For PT drill, they have a stand in such a manner that the number of rows is equal to number of columns. How many children would be left out in this arrangement? So we'll see the solution. First step, what is the solution? Let the number of rows, let the number of rows be x. Rows be x is the first line. Then the number of columns, is also x. So we write the number of plants So this is the 8th one I am solving. Okay. So the number of rows be x, then the number of columns be x. So the number of children, this is 9th problem, will become x into x is equal to x square. So which is perfect square, is a perfect square. So next step is that let us find out the square root of 500 by division method. So let us find out the square root by square root of 500 by division method. 500 by division method. So these are the step. First is take the rows as x, next the column as y, see here. Then multiply these two x into x, we'll get x square, which is a perfect square. Now we'll take the 500 and find out the square root by the division method. First take 500, then nearest number to the pair this one pair, this one pair. Nearest square root is 2 into 2, 4. Then 2 2s are 2 2s are. Again here 4 we get, write down 1 here, then 0 0, add these two, we'll get 4. Next for this one, 4 into 4 2s are 8, we get the nearest number to the 10. Then 4 2 into 2 we'll get, that is 2 4, and 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8 we get. 84 substitute here, then write 2 here and 2 here, therefore remainder we get 16. So this is the procedure. Next we have to find out, so what is the, so we are getting, that is 22 into 22, how much? Therefore 22 into 22 will get, that is 484. Therefore 484 is less than 500. Therefore less than 500, then 500 minus this 484, you minus 500 by 584 will get 16. So 16. Finally what we write, 22 square is less than 500 by 16. So 16 children would be left out. So they in the columns and row they have asked the question, how many children would be left out in the arrangement. So the students, out of 500 we got only 16 children are left out in this arrangement. So 16 is the answer. So in the school there is a PT, there the students are standing in the rows and columns. So the question was, how many students are left out in this arrangement. So the way they had arranged was rows and columns. So while solving this we found out that 16 students were left out in this arrangement. So this is the solution. So we'll move on to the 8th problem. We solved, this is the 9th one. We move on to the 8th one now. So what is the 8th one? This is also similar to this 9th one. So now a gardener has 1,000 plants. A gardener has 1,000 plants. He wants to plant these in such a way that number of rows and the number of columns remain the same. Find the minimum number of plants he needs more for his garden. So a gardener is planting the trees same in the rows and columns. So we have to find out how many more 1,000 plants. He has 1,000 plants. How many more plants he has to need? So solution same way as the 9th problem. First step we write the number of rows in the garden. You can write the number of rows B, just X. Then next step, then the number of columns. Number of columns is also X. So C2 to X. So the number of plants is what we have to write, that is x into x is equal to x square, which is perfect square, which is a perfect square. So same thing, let us find out the square root of how much they have given, 1000 by division method. So now we'll find out the square root. Take the number 1000 here, find out the nearest square root, that is 1 into 1 1 ones are 1. First group the numbers, so I made a mistake here. So group the numbers, pair the numbers after this. So next step is find out the nearest square root of the number, that will be 3 into this one, 3 into 3, because this was pair, so I considered the single digit, but here we have to consider, since it is a pair, two numbers. 3 into 3 will be 9. So here also you have to write 3 3 9 here. So remainder 1, add these two, we get 6. Then bring the other two numbers, then find out the nearest number to this one, that is 10. The nearest number will be, that is 6 into 1 is equal to 6. Therefore 6 1 into 1 will become 61. Therefore write 1 here, then 1 here. Therefore 61 here we have to write. What is the remainder here? That is 100 minus 61 will become, that is 39. Therefore square this. Square, that is 31 into 31 is equal to how much we are getting? So 31 1 3, that is 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9, 169 we are getting. So therefore we can write 31 square is less than 1000. So 31 square is less than 1000. Therefore what we need to, 32 into 32 we'll square this, we'll get how much? That is 1024 we are getting. So since in the problem they asked how many more plants is required, less means we should minus to the nearest perfect square. Since they have asked how many more plants we have to add, so therefore we get, since this is 31 square is, see, 1 ones are 1, 1 threes are 3, 3 threes are 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9. Add this, we get 961. 961 is 31 square, which is less than 1000. So we have to find out the number more than this 1000. So 32 square will become the nearest to this number. So we are taking this one, 1024 is greater than 1000. So this is greater than 1000. So finally take this 1024 minus the 1000, we'll get 24. Finally, what is the answer now? We got back the answer. Therefore we can write 24, that is 24 should be, that is plants, you can say 24 plants. I'll add 24 plants should be added to 1000 plants, 2000 plants to get perfect square. So this is the solution. So see here, 1000 plus 24 is equal to 1024. Therefore square root of 1024 is equal to 32. So this is the solution for the 8th problem. We completed the chapter squares and square root. roots. In the next class we'll solve the next chapter, that is the cube roots. If you have any doubts, comment me. Subscribe my channel, share, like all the videos. Thank you.